Okay, good afternoon and welcome to the Good Blade's Kitchen. Today we are doing pesto stuffed chicken thighs, and we're doing them for what? St. Patrick's Day, because pesto is green. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take chicken thigh, and there's the skin. You peel it back with your finger a little bit, and then you take some pesto and stick it in like that. See, like that. And then you're just going to push it over like that. Okay, we're going to bread these and we'll be right back with that. Okay, and we're back, and I'm going to show you now how to flavor the flour. This is plain old all-purpose flour, and we're going to add a little salt. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to crack some black pepper into it. This is a Chef'n one-handed pepper grinder. I love it. There's a link for it in the description. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to add, this is Penzeys California sweet basil. Wonderful stuff. And we're going to add a teaspoon of that. And because I think that paprika is good in everything, we're going to add a teaspoon, 2. Okay, and then take a whisk and mix it all together. Okay, now those are my seasonings. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have these lined up, so we're going to go into the flour first, and then the egg, and finally these are panko breadcrumbs. Okay, so we're going to take one of our chickens right here, flour first, dip it in there, good, whoops, don't make a mess, shake it, shake the excess off, and then in the egg, and finally in the panko breadcrumbs. And in case you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I don't like that feeling. Alright, and then I have a rack, I'll show you later, and they're going to dry on the rack. And we're going to do the rest. When you're at the end and you have more egg left over like I do, and if you have a pet, cat or dog, you could take the egg and you could scramble it and give it to them for a very nice treat. They will love you forever for it. Okay, now these are sitting on a nice rack, and they are going to go into the refrigerator for about an hour because we want them to, that coating to really be on there. If you want to, you can put these in oil and you can fry them or saute them, but we're going to do these in the air fryer because we want to cut down on oil. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit, about an hour. See you later. Put the stuffed thighs on your air fryer's rack. Set the air fryer to 380F 193C for about 25 minutes or until they reach 165F 73C on an instant read thermometer. A different kind of St. Patrick's Day treat. And here we have pasta with a little pesto on it. And more green broccoli. Okay, I hope you enjoy this meal. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining me on The Good Plate.